If you live in a small apartment with only a balcony corner, a windowsill, or just a few square feet in your living room, you can still create a valuable green garden for yourself. A small space does not mean you have to give up on growing plants. On the contrary, if you choose the right plants, you can make your home more beautiful, create a relaxing feeling, and support a healthier lifestyle every day. There are some plants that do not need a large area or complicated care, but still bring many benefits. Some can be used as fresh herbs in meals, making your food taste fresher and helping you rely less on processed seasonings. Others have a light fragrance that makes the space feel more pleasant after a tiring day. There are also plants that may not be edible, but they can make a room feel less cold, less empty, and more connected to nature. In this video, we will explore 8 plants that offer the most health-related benefits in small spaces. They are easy to grow, practical, and well-suited to modern living. Before we begin, take a moment to look around your room. Is there any corner that could use a little more green? If there is, please let us know in the comments. 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the best plants for small spaces, especially apartments, bedrooms, living rooms, or work corners. Its main strength is its upright, compact, and sturdy leaves. So, even when placed in a small pot, it still brings a fresh green feeling without taking up too much space. For people who live in townhouses, apartment buildings, or homes without a large balcony, the snake plant is a very practical choice. What makes the snake plant so popular is its strong ability to adapt. It does not require complicated care, does not need frequent watering, and can live in indirect light. That is why it is very suitable for busy people, beginners, or those who often forget to water their plants. As long as you place it somewhere with gentle light, use well-draining soil, and avoid overwatering, the plant can grow steadily for a long time. In terms of health benefits, the snake plant should not be seen as a magical air purifier, but it truly has value in improving the feeling of your living space. A green potted plant in the room helps make the space feel less stiff, less cold, and more mentally pleasant. When you work a lot on a computer or live in an urban environment, seeing natural greenery can also give your eyes and mind a sense of rest. However, if you have small children or pets at home, you should place the plant in a safe spot, because its leaves are not suitable for eating. Overall, the snake plant is an ideal choice for anyone who wants to start a small indoor garden. Beautiful, durable, easy to care for, and able to bring a peaceful feeling every day. 2. Pothos. The soft green vines of pothos can make a small corner of the room feel more lively almost instantly. The plant has a natural trailing shape and beautiful heart-shaped leaves, so it is perfect for placing on a high shelf, hanging near a window, or letting it gently trail down from a small pot. For apartments with limited space, pothos is a very smart choice because it makes use of vertical space instead of taking up room on the floor. One valuable thing about pothos is that it is quite easy to care for. It does not need strong direct sunlight. Indirect light is enough for it to grow steadily. You also do not need to water it every day. You should only water it when the top layer of soil begins to dry out. For that reason, pothos is very suitable for busy people, beginners, or anyone who wants some greenery indoors but does not have much time for plant care. In terms of health benefits, pothos is not a plant used for food or herbal remedies, but it has great value in improving the feeling of your living space. The green color of its leaves helps make a room feel less stiff, less plain, and more connected to nature. When you work on a computer for a long time, a pot of pothos near your desk or window can also give your eyes a gentle place to rest. However, if you have small children or pets at home, you should place the plant in a higher position because its leaves are not suitable for eating. Overall, pothos is a compact, easy care, beautiful plant that is truly worth having in a modern living space. 3. Boston fern. The small, soft, evenly spread leaves of a Boston fern can bring a very clear, fresh green feeling to an indoor space. This is a plant that suits corners that need a gentle touch, such as a living room, a bathroom with some natural light, a hanging shelf near a window, or a work corner that feels a little too dry and rigid. The Boston fern's naturally trailing leaves help make the room feel closer to nature, almost as if you are bringing a small patch of forest greenery into your home. Boston fern especially like moderate humidity and indirect light. They do not do well in strong direct sunlight, because the leaves can dry out or develop burnt edges. If you grow a Boston fern in an apartment, you should place it somewhere with soft light and keep it away from heaters or areas where the air is too dry. In winter, when many families in Europe use indoor heating systems, you can lightly mist the plant or place it near an area with better humidity to help it keep its soft green look. In terms of health benefits, the Boston fern is not an edible plant, but it has great value in creating a relaxing feeling. Its cool green color and soft leaf shape help the eyes rest, especially for people who often work in front of a computer. A hanging Boston fern in the room can also make the space feel less stuffy, less heavy, and more mentally comfortable. However, Boston ferns need a little more regular care than drought-tolerant plants. You should keep the soil slightly moist, but do not let the plant become waterlogged. Overall, the Boston fern is a very worthwhile choice if you want a small space to feel fresher, softer, and more relaxing every day. Have you ever grown this plant before? If you have, let me know in the comments whether it was as easy to care for as you expected. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I'll have more motivation to share the next plants with you. 4. Christmas cactus. Christmas cactus is a very suitable choice for small spaces such as apartments, bedrooms, work desks, or window corners. Its main appeal lies in its ability to bring a cheerful and warm feeling to a room, especially during the colder season. When it blooms, colors such as pink, red, purple, or white can make a living space feel softer, brighter, and more full of life. For small rooms that can easily feel plain or cramped, a Christmas cactus can become a gentle but very pleasant focal point. One major advantage of Christmas cactus is that it is quite compact, does not take up much space, and can be arranged in many different spots. You can place it on a bookshelf, coffee table, work desk, or near a window with soft light. The plant prefers indirect light, does not need harsh direct sunlight, and is not too demanding to care for. However, it still needs a moderate level of moisture, so you should water it when the top layer of soil begins to dry and avoid letting water sit in the pot for too long. In terms of health benefits, Christmas cactus is not a medicinal plant, but it can support mental well-being in a very natural way. The green color of the plant, together with its bright flowers, helps make a small space feel less cold, less empty, and more relaxing after long hours of stressful work. When placed in a work corner or resting area, it also gives your eyes a pleasant point to focus on instead of only looking at screens or hard, lifeless objects. In particular, Christmas cactus is also considered a safer choice for families with dogs and cats. Even so, you should still place it in a secure spot to prevent pets from knocking the pot over. Overall, this is a small, beautiful, easy-care houseplant that is truly worth having in a compact living space. 5. Rubber plant. The rubber plant has a very striking appearance thanks to its thick, glossy leaves, which are deep green with reddish-brown tones in the new buds. Just by placing a small pot in the corner of the living room, beside a window, or near a work desk, the plant can make the living space feel elegant, clean, and modern. Its upright growth habit and large but not overly messy leaves make it very suitable for small apartments that need a green focal point while still staying neat. The rubber plant is fairly easy to care for if it is placed in the right spot. It likes bright, indirect light, ideally near a window. But you should avoid exposing it to harsh direct sunlight for too long, because this can burn the leaves. When caring for the plant, you do not need to water it too much. You should only water it when the top layer of soil has dried out. Its leaves are quite large and glossy, so from time to time, you can gently wipe them with a damp cloth to keep the plant clean and looking healthy. In terms of health benefits, the rubber plant is not an edible plant or an herb, but it clearly has value in improving the feeling of indoor living. Its large, deep green leaves help make a room feel less empty, less cold, and more connected to nature. For people who often live or work in enclosed spaces, a rubber plant can make a corner of the room feel more pleasant, steady, and mentally relaxing. However, the plant has white sap, which may cause mild irritation for some people, and it is not suitable for small children or pets to chew on. Therefore, you should place it in a safe position. Overall, the rubber plant is a very worthwhile choice if you want an indoor plant that is beautiful, durable, easy to care for, and able to create a clear, fresh green feeling. 6. Areca palm. The thin, long, gently spreading fronds of the areca palm can make an indoor space feel much softer and more open. The plant looks like a small palm bush, bringing a light tropical feeling without being too dense or overwhelming. When placed in the corner of a living room, near a bright window, or beside a reading chair, the areca palm can turn an ordinary corner of the home into a more relaxing and pleasant spot. The areca palm is very suitable for spaces that need a fresh green feeling while still looking light and elegant. Its leaves grow upward and then gently arch down, helping the room feel less stiff and less cold, especially in apartments with many white walls, wooden furniture, or electronic devices. In places with a European climate, the plant should usually be grown indoors, especially during the cold season, because the areca palm does not like very low temperatures or long exposure to cold drafts. In terms of care, the areca palm likes bright, indirect light. It should not be placed under harsh direct sunlight for too long, because the leaf edges may burn. The plant also prefers moderate humidity. So, in winter, when indoor heating is used, you can lightly mist it or place it near other plants to help maintain better moisture. When watering, you should only water it when the top layer of soil begins to dry, and avoid letting water sit in the pot. In terms of health benefits, the areca palm is not a plant used for food or medicine, but it is very valuable in creating a relaxing feeling. Its soft green color and gentle leaf shape help the eyes rest and make the living space feel more breathable. Overall, the areca palm is a very worthwhile choice if you want an indoor plant that is beautiful, elegant, and able to bring a clear, fresh green feeling. 7. Jade plant. The jade plant has a compact shape, thick, succulent leaves, and a pleasant glossy green color. When placed on a work desk, a windowsill, a bookshelf, or a small corner of the living room, it creates a clean, fresh feeling and almost feels like a small symbol of peace, because it does not grow too quickly and does not need a very large pot. The jade plant is very suitable for limited spaces, such as small apartments, bedrooms, or personal work corners. One reason many people love the jade plant is its fairly good drought tolerance. This is a succulent plant, so it does not need to be watered as often as many soft-leaf plants. If you water it too much, the roots can easily become waterlogged. The simplest way to care for it is to place it somewhere with good light, preferably near a bright window, and only water it when the soil is clearly dry. In a European climate, the plant should be kept indoors during winter, away from deep, cold, and direct icy drafts. In terms of health benefits, the jade plant is not an edible plant or an herb, but it has great value in creating a sense of balance in the living space. The rounded shape of its leaves, its soft green color, and its sturdy form help make a corner of the room feel gentler, steadier, and more comfortable. For people who spend a lot of time working in front of a screen, a small jade plant on the desk can give the eyes a place to rest and help the space feel less tense. However, if you have pets or small children at home, you should place the plant in a safe spot because its leaves are not suitable for eating. Overall, the jade plant is a very worthwhile choice if you want a small, beautiful, easy care plant that brings a fresh, green, and peaceful feeling to your home. 8. ZZ plant. ZZ plant is one of the most suitable plants for small living spaces, especially apartments, bedrooms, living rooms, or work corners. The plant has a fairly compact shape, with dark green, slightly glossy leaves that grow upright and look strong. Because of that, just placing a small pot in the room is enough to make the space feel fresher, cleaner, and more elegant. For homes with limited space, the ZZ plant is a very practical choice because it does not spread out too much, does not take up walking space, and does not make the room look cluttered. One reason many people love this plant is its strong ability to adapt. It does not require complicated care, does not need to be watered frequently, and can still grow well in indirect light or even slightly low light conditions. Therefore, the ZZ plant is very suitable for older adults, busy people, or anyone who is just starting to grow indoor plants. As long as the plant is placed in a lightly ventilated area, not overwatered, and kept in a pot with good drainage, it can maintain its fresh green appearance for a long time. In terms of health benefits, The ZZ plant should not be seen as a plant that can cure illness or magically purify the air. However, it still has clear value in improving the overall feeling of a living space. A green plant in the room can make the space feel less dry and rigid, creating a more relaxing, gentle, and nature-connected atmosphere. For older adults, taking care of a small plant can also become a simple but pleasant daily habit, helping them feel happier and more connected in their everyday life. However, if there are young children or pets in the house, the plant should be placed in a safe spot, because its leaves are not suitable for eating or chewing. Overall, the ZZ plant is a beautiful, durable, easy care choice that is well worth having in modern living spaces. So, a small space does not stop you from creating a valuable green corner in your home. Sometimes, you do not need a large garden or a big balcony. Just a few potted plants placed in the right spots can already make a room feel more pleasant, warmer, and more full of life. Natural greenery always has a gentle way of soothing the eyes, softening the space, and helping the mind rest after stressful hours of work. The real value of growing plants indoors is not only in their outward beauty, but also in the peaceful feeling they bring every day. When you spend a few minutes watering your plants, wiping their leaves, or simply looking at a small patch of green, you are also giving yourself a necessary pause in the middle of a busy life. Of course, plants cannot replace a healthy diet, good sleep, or proper healthcare, but they can quietly support you by creating a living environment that feels more relaxing, closer to nature, and more positive. So start with one small corner of your home, choose a plant that suits your space, and let that greenery stay with you every day. If this video gave you even one small idea to make your home feel more comfortable, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves plants too.